Hello friend, this is Jimmy from Can I Have an Immigration Canada. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This video is important for the high skilled category people who want to come to Canada on a work permit or LMIA basis. So I got so many inquiries about people were asking about how the processing time for their work permit and LMIA can be increased or it can be shortened, right? So there is a category called Global Talent Stream that allows certain skilled workers to obtain a work permit within 2 weeks of application. It is one of the pillars for Canada's global skill strategy, which aim to help innovative companies grow by ensuring that they can access the high skilled talent they need it quickly. Let's say there is a technical company and they're running short on the high skilled labor workforce, and then they got somebody who's outside of Canada but they need their services and that talent. So in this case, the work permit application and the LMIA application can be done very quickly. Uh, there are certain standards in this global talent stream. If we look at this global talent stream, there are two subcategories. Category A is the high growth companies that can demonstrate that there is a need to recruit unique specialized talent from abroad. Employers in this category must be referred to the global talent stream by a designated referral partner. There are certain companies, they are have been made as a designated referral partner by the government. If they designate the file for a particular individual and their employer to the government that this is the skills that need, this is in high demand, and company is unable to find that person here in Canada. So then if that has given a reference by those companies or those designated referral partners, the paperwork is, it can be done in no time. So there are number of list, number of municipalities they are participating in it. There is a list of more than 50 of those all over Canada, and if you are in the province of Quebec, they have their separate list. So but this category, if you got a referral from, if your employer got a referral from them, and the application process is done in 2 weeks only. And there is another category B. Category is B for employers. They are looking to hire certain high skilled foreign workers for occupation that are found on the global talent occupation list, which have been determined to be in demand and for which there is a insufficient labor supply. Mostly this list uh, is in the field of information technology and other highly specialized skills, but this list always being updated regularly by the labor market department of Service Canada or Statistics Canada. Mostly under this category B, if we look at the computer and information system managers, computer engineers, mathematicians, and statisticians, system analysts, consultant, DBAs, database administrators, software engineers, web designers, computer network technician, information system technician, digital media and design are few of them that can be done like really quickly. Now, employers in this both of these categories are required to meet certain conditions relating to the payment or the pay scale for these foreign workers that will be hired under this global talent stream program. It must be prevailing wage or higher than whatever is on the Job Bank Canada. So an annual salary of at least $80,000 or more must be given in these categories. And if they are under category A, annual salary equivalent or more than $150,000 has to be paid by the employer. So these are the companies, they are looking for specialized techniques and the categories. Again, in this labor market benefit plan has to be submitted by the company to the ESTC or Service Canada, from where the labor market impact assessment LMIA can be done, and also the work permit application can be referred for this GTS program, and it will be done in 2 weeks, 10 business days. There are certain work permit exemptions are also under the global talent stream. If a highly skilled worker in the skill type O or skill level A occupation of the NOC, they may enter to Canada to work for 15 days in a 6 month period or a 30 days in a 12-month period and without obtaining a work permit. If your company needs somebody to be here for 15 days to a month and this is a specialized skill, they do not even need for to apply for work permit and they will be get paid for that. Researchers working on a research projects at a publicly funded degree granting institution or affiliated research institution may come to Canada for 120 days in 12-month period without obtaining a work permit, and these are all under the global talent stream category. So if you or your employer falls under that category, it'll be really quick for you to get an LMIA plus the work permit. So there was a little update about the global talent stream where you can get your work permit and LMA get done in 2 week period. So there was a little update about the global talent stream project. So I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.